Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down this month's explosive AI breakthroughs, including killer robot concerns, major research reveals, and what it all means for the future. I will walk you through the key stories step by step so that you can understand what's happening and why it matters. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's talk about the killer robot headlines. So these stories often refer to the advanced AI systems that is paired with the autonomous hardware like a robot that can move, interact with the world and make the decisions without direct human control. So the concern isn't that they suddenly get malicious intent, it's that high autonomy plus real world action increases the risk if the systems are not carefully controlled or supervised. So to analyze these breakthroughs safety, you can start by separating the capability news from the safety contexts. So if the researchers demonstrate a robot that can run, balance or navigate independently, that's a technical achievement. If the report highlights the potential harm or misuse, that's a risk assessment. So understanding both the sides help you see the full picture. Next, look at the source of the news. Academic papers, industry releases, and investigative reports each have different standards. Academic research typically includes methodology and limitations, while marketing content may overstate the results for the attention. So always weigh the source before drawing the conclusions. Another key step is to understand what was actually achieved. Many of the breakthroughs are incremental. For example, improved motion planning, better perception, or strong reasoning capabilities. So these are fundamental and exciting, but they don't necessarily mean AI is suddenly dangerous. Breaking down what was typically done is going to help you avoid the hype. In the realm of AI safety, this month also brought news about the control frameworks and ethical guidelines. So these are efforts by the researchers to make sure that the AI systems remain aligned with human values and predictable in behavior. So when AI becomes more capable, safety research becomes more prominent, and that's a good sign. So to analyze these breakthroughs yourself in the future, we can keep the checklist in mind. So the first point is what exactly was the reported advancement? The second thing is it a capability, a prototype or theoretical research? Next, who conducted the study or made the announcement? What risks or the limitations did they identify? And is there an expert safety response or follow-up research? So using this step-by-step approach, you can separate the hype from the meaningful progress. If this video helped you break down this month's explosive AI breakthroughs, just make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.